You are spending too much time trying to figure out how to get the perfect calculations for your wholesaling real estate deals. Honestly, it's getting sickening how complicated calculating repair costs are. Calculating repair costs are honestly one of the easiest and most simple ways in wholesaling real estate that you should be doing when you're talking to your deals. Pulling ARV should be almost one of the hardest parts when trying to figure out the cost of a home or the price of it for a good wholesaling real estate deal. So in this video, I talk with someone and I really break down exactly how to start calculating ARV in your wholesaling real estate business. But before we get into it, remember, you need to smash that like button and subscribe to get the most free content from me. Now let's get into it. Let's get
Hey
it.
Zach, how you doing?
Doing good, doing good. Also, guys, everyone's getting their question answered, but what's up? Jason?
Yeah, how you doing?
Jason, you're here early, man.
Yeah, I wanted to be one of the first 100. So
Perfect, man. I appreciate it. People think I threaten like that, like a coach or something. Like it cuts off at 100. So uh, let's get it, man. How can I help you?
yeah, I'm in Philadelphia, which is one of your favorite markets over there, according to your YouTube. That's being sarcastic because that's I saw your video with worst markets to do it. Yeah, Philadelphia is tough with the wholesale thing, but the question is like I find it kind of difficult to come up with like repair amounts for a lot of these deals. Philadelphia, a lot of the houses are really old. Um, and like I've been advised to like use 100 a square foot, but like have you done deals in Philly? Like
Again,
um
guys, whoever you watch on YouTube is not me. I run completely different businesses than these people. I don't have this huge staff. I do small, not small, but like I don't do an insane amount of deals, but they're 40, $50,000 deals. But like I do virtual wholesaling, but like I'm not like anyone. So if someone has their system, I don't know it. For Philly, are we talking like actual Philadelphia? Or are we talking like, hey, I'm like 40 minutes away in the burbs?
so I do the burb stuff too, but I mean most of my business, most of my marketing has been in Philly. I
Okay.
started in January, so I'm like pretty new, but I've done like a few deals. But
Congrats,
I
man.
still find
That's a
myself
win,
kind
dude.
of struggling with the repair amounts for sure.
Yeah.
Because I think I'm missing on deals that I'm like, I don't think this is a deal based on what I've been taught, but you know.
Okay.
Um, but yeah, I mean, I'm doing my first rehab next month, so maybe that's going to help kind of like clarify some things. But
Eh,
I, maybe that's you just learn from experience with the repairs. I find it confusing.
yeah. Repairs. I always honestly like, hey, here's the truth. I'm not 100% on repairs, even 4 or 5, well, almost 5. Geez, almost 5 years into it. You got to just grossly just guess it because I can only talk about wholesaling, fix and flipping, wholesaling, creative finance. I not everything else outside of that. I don't do the 100K things in there, but roughly. So let me break this down. So when it comes to repairs, that's not the name of the game. The name of the game is you get a property under contract and you sell it. That's we're selling contracts. We're not dealing with real estate. So generally, a lot of times I just get it for the lowest price possible. Try to bid it up through a cash buyer right now. That's the best if you don't know repairs. You can do. I mean, do you have PropStream?
Yeah, I have prop stream, batch leads, all that
You
stuff. Yeah,
use Blue Hammer on PropStream,
it's called Blue Hammer.
bro? You don't know about Blue Hammer?
No,
Oh my god! All right, go to Flip with Rick on YouTube or Zachin on YouTube, whatever one you want. Um, and I want you to go to the last PropStream tutorial I did. There's it's free. It's like 15 bucks a month you have to pay for it. In PropStream, you get it for free. I think PropStream pays like 10 bucks a month it's almost 10% of your whole subscription they pay for it. You use Blue Hammer for free. Dude, it's crazy.
I watched a lot of your vids. I never saw the Blue Hammer one, but
I'll show you right now.
um,
I got a meeting at 8 o'clock. Oh, it's a Zoom meeting.
Hold up. Let me mute some people.
It's a Zoom meeting.
All right, cool. All right. I'll show you when I released it, so it just makes it easier for you.
Rick just had he just released a prop stream tutorial video. I didn't see it yet, but I think the one he just posted maybe this week or yesterday or something.
Yeah, not yesterday. It was probably a week ago. A week ago. PropStream complete start to finish. Let me find the timestamp for you. Kind of make it easier for everyone watching this, but it was.
Yeah.
I forgot about it. Like I knew about it, but like it kind of blew my mind. Right about. Yeah, you're gonna have to watch it. Oh wait, Mm. Is this it? No. You gotta go look at it. But it was. Oh wait, here it is. Go to. Yeah, it is Blue Hammer. 30 minutes in. 30 minutes in.
All right,
Talk
cool.
about Blue Hammer. You can calculate the repairs if you want to get really technical per city wise. Like where's the wood or what's labor in Philly versus Miami. So
Oh, really?
yeah,
I didn't even know about that. That's interesting. But I
you're
use
paying
your
for prop
guys'
stream,
prop
man.
stream list stuff, and I use that for everything. Whenever I need a new list, I'll use your prop stream videos.
Do you have a website?
I have a website, but I'm going to probably create a new one.
Prop
Yeah.
stream, you do it's free in prop stream too.
Oh, really? There you go.
I'm telling you, like, it's crazy. So what I can tell you right now is Blue Hammer's really good. I guesstimate, man, like that. Change the bathrooms, kitchen, flooring. Like
Yeah.
I keep it rough. I always go by how much is a cash buyer roughly going to pay for it. That's generally, hey, I know what the ARV is. I roughly know the repairs, and I multiply that by like 81%. It should be 84, but just 81 to be safe. Okay, generally they'll pay 150 for it. Let's lock it up for 120. That's kind of how I do it. It's not conventional, but that's what I do. It works. But generally, if you got to crunch the numbers like crazy, you're paying too much for the house. It's got to be like, okay, this deal works, you know?
Yeah.
So that's what I've seen. But generally, the more experience you have, the better. That's what it's going to take. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.